Hi there, it's Alan here, the Digital Mentor, and today I want to talk to you about ebooks and having ebooks in your marketing strategy. It's a great opportunity for you to showcase your expertise and create some long form content as well that is really valuable to your customers, your clients, your potential clients, and even your followers and your connections as well. And it also helps you to increase your visibility as well. So 5 different points that I want to talk about today, and we're going to get into it right now. So let's do this. So number 1 is establishing your authority. Yes, when I talk about establishing your authority, I'm talking about building your expertise and letting people know about what you do and how well you actually do it. So by having an ebook, you can build that authority by showcasing your valuable content that you want to share with them. And remember, when you're writing these ebooks, it's very, very important to remember that your end goal should always be to add value to the person that's reading this book and also help solve a problem. But by doing this, with your own authority, you can display this because people know that you know what you're talking about. Okay, so it shows you as, I suppose, a expert in your particular sector or field of work as well. Number 2, it's generating leads. Yes, indeed. And doesn't everybody want to generate leads? So by using an ebook and creating an ebook, you can develop that into a lead generation tool, because what you can do is you can share it out and ask people to download your ebook, and you can send them to your website and have a landing page and have a form on it where people can add their name and their email address. And this will help you to build your email list also. And it just gives you an opportunity to collect that information. But what you're doing is you're also helping that person. So in exchange for you helping them, they're going to give you an email listing as well, which is really, really important. And of course, you can use that. Remember GDPR and all that type of good stuff that's around it. So making sure that you have permissions and stuff like that. But putting that in on your landing page and letting people know that will help you as well. You can look into the GDPR a little bit more in more detail, but it is a great way for you to generate leads, and not necessarily just even from getting an email address from someone. It can be on the types of, say, LinkedIn, where you can build up your connections, because that, again, that is lead generation, and it's helping you. And that can be done on any of the different social media platforms by building your followers. If you are, as I said, giving this particular offer of an ebook, whether that be for free or for a nominal fee or whatever it may be, but it'll help you to build your lead generation. The next one, number 3, is to enhance your brand visibility. Yes, this gives you the opportunity to showcase your brand as well as much as anything else. It helps you to create visibility. So you're giving people something that is of value to them. And also in the meantime, they're also getting to know about your brand, and it also creates that visibility online, because remember, if someone does like your ebook, they are going to share that out with their community, which enhances your visibility again. So really, really important point number 3 there. Number 4, this is the key to all of this, is to educate your audience in more detail. We all can write posts. We can all write blog posts, and we can all do these fantastic videos and stuff like that. But some people like to read, but also some people like to, when they're creating content, would like to go into a lot more detail about the particular topic that they might be talking about. So this gives you that opportunity in an ebook to do this, and you can really, really expand on what the content that you're talking about in the particular topic that you're talking about. So you're not limited to 2,500 words or 240 characters or whatever it may be. So you can really expand on this. So it's really, really powerful to have an ebook, and you're able to create that content within this ebook. And then number 5, which I always think is the most important one, is to drive traffic to your website. Yes, we all want to drive that traffic to your website. We have great opportunities with social media, but remember, social media is rented space. Okay. It's only rented space. You do not own it. Whereas on your website, it is all your content. And as long as you're paying your domain and you're hosting, your website will always be live. So this is a great place to drive that traffic to your website. And it's a great opportunity to do that. So instead of just putting the ebook up on one of the social media channels, yes, put up a post about the ebook on the social media channels and point them in the direction of your website to that landing page, as we talked about, and making sure that they can see it visibly. And remember, when you are doing this, the most important part is whatever link that you have, whatever landing page you have on your website, in the post that you're putting out in social media, ensure that you're sending them to that direct page. Do not send them to the home page of your website, because they will have to try and find it. And 9 times out of 10, if someone doesn't find the information immediately, they go and they disappear. So you're losing out on it. So very important tip there is to make sure that you're using the right landing page, and then you're putting the right URL in your posts when you are promoting your new ebook as well. Okay, so they are just 5 tips. So quickly, let's go over them again. Establish your authority, increase your lead generation, enhance your brand visibility, educate your audience, and drive traffic to your website. If you would like to find out more about how to create your ebook, or you need help, or you need some guidance, please do get in contact with me. You can email alan@thedigitalmentor.ie, and you can also visit the website at thedigitalmentor.ie. And if you're on social media, please do reach out and connect with me. I will talk to you very soon. As I always say, have a great day, and remember, be social. Until next time, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.